Just got out the shower. Day started late, you know. What can you do? You know what I'm saying? About to go get a rental. Cousin about to treat us. Here she going to bed. You gonna treat us? Whatever. I'm the president of the United States. President. Where? He said where? And then we got this one over here.
Get up!
Just got the Enterprise, about to get this rental. You feel me? Ain't that right? Come on, man. Doing it for the vlog. Oh, that guy. Racetrack. Bye. Bye-bye. So that was my cousin that I just met for the first time. You know, she's 5. Yeah, I just met her. I ain't been here in years, dude. Years I ain't been back to Florida. Yeah, years. All right, so we just got out the car. The plan is we going into this bar right now called Smoky Bones. And then we going to this party tonight called Runway.
Are you recording us?
Because this is my vlog, and don't be cussing on my vlog. You feel me? So now I gotta.
That your vlog.
Hey, vlog girl, don't listen to that talking, all right? Because you know I don't support cussing on my vlog. Well, you know, Smoky Bones, doing it for the vlog. What you gotta say? My dreads grew so. Stop touching my hair, girl.
Do you think I would be smoking though?
So did you ask your sister?
Huh?
Yeah. It look kind of fancy up in here. Hey, Monique, look. They go a cop over there.
What?
He was watching you too. You see him? Give him number. They tripping. See? Only black people do that. You feel me? Only black people. I think so. So we came to another restaurant. Apparently people still hungry. Apparently people still hungry, so here we go.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so the party was just over. You know, we coming back.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Yeah, for sure, man. Hey. But it was live though, man. It was like so many fine females, you know. It was crazy. I need to move back to Florida for real, you know. Hey, walk up, man. Walk up. But yeah, we going back to the car right now. And that's about to be a wrap. And like I said, we might be hitting the beach tomorrow. My dad's gonna come get me tonight, so we're gonna go to Palm Beach. That's about an hour away from where we at right now. So yeah, doing it for the vlog. All right, vlog girl. You see this? You see this? Don't go to parties and drink a lot, vlog girl. Don't do it, okay? Because stuff like this happens. Vomiting all over the floor. We had to pull the car over real quick. It's just not nice. And here go my other cousin getting it for the snap. Getting it for the snap. But yeah, you don't know. Florida. I do it big. I do it big. I do it big, vlog girl. I do it big.